Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2023 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 NORTHSTAR. It's got the 4,500 pound synthetic rope winch, 29-inch 8-ply tires. I'm going to say they're 50-60% tread. Full hard cab. This machine's got heater, wiper, air conditioning, tilt-assist dump box. Rear view mirror, wiper washer kit. This has 7,670 miles on it. 611 engine hours. Gonna take another video of this getting started up, drove around. It's a really clean machine, starts, runs, drives good. If you got any questions, call us at 406-232-3300.